The Mutoh XpertJet series pursues the features and user convenience demanded by print professionals. Now has a new model which delivers even higher image quality and productivity. Mutoh's traditional technologies and their latest unique technologies create the best balanced model for high image quality and high productivity. Mutoh XpertJet 1641SR Pro. Mutoh's large format inkjet printers have been supported by many print professionals. It all started with Mutoh's unique technology, the high-precision aluminum rail mechanism. Traditional Mutoh technology is combined with their latest unique technologies. New printhead AccuFine, new print effect iScreen, and genuine RIP software Vertilith. The integration of these new features enables high-quality printing. A new extra-wide and high-density piezo printhead AccuFine on board. It achieves extremely high productivity and high image quality even at high print speed, thanks to extremely precise ink dot placement. The new print effect iScreen, created from Mutoh's intelligent interweave printing technology, optimizes the new printhead AccuFine. By arranging the dots in a way that takes into account how they look, this reduces banding for smoother print images. Mutoh's RIP software Vertilith optimizes the performance of the XpertJet 1641SR Pro. It provides less variation in color density and smoother gradations, resulting in more beautiful image quality. Dropmaster 2 automatically adjusts bi-directional alignment through the built-in sensor. Feedmaster automates paper feed adjustment through the built-in sensor. Media Tracker manages the remaining media by printing a barcode before removing roll in use. It will read the barcode when reloading that roll. Printing temporarily using blocks of active nozzles when clogged nozzles fail to recover. An automatic nozzle checking unit is available as an option. It automatically detects missing nozzles and cleans them. If nozzles are not recovered, Nozzle Area Select automatically activates. By combining the two new functions, the risk of defects during unattended operation, such as at night, is reduced. Select optimal head height setting to reduce the risk of printhead contact and maintain stable print quality. 4 levels of pressure applied to the media thanks to adjustable media set lever and pressure arms. Expanding media feed capability. A wide range of media types can be fed under optimal conditions. Mutoh Status Monitor is software that enables the checking of printer operation status from a computer in real time. Mutoh's new eco-solvent printer brings the best made-in-Japan quality to various markets. The best balanced model for high image quality and high productivity. Mutoh XpertJet 1641SR Pro.